patience? What seems to be the trouble?
Yeah.
Persistent cough, tiredness, muscle aches, sore throat, shortness of breath, runny nose and a headache.
No worries. Oh, coughing.
Oh, jeez, that could be bird flu, Billy. There's a bit of it going around, you know. Where have you flew to? I mean, where have you been recently? Right. Now, if the authorities catch you, they'll have you put down. We better get you started on some meds. You'll need to take some of this, and this, and this, and this, and these. Then we got to take your temperature. Now, you should be at 120 degrees C. That seems a bit warm. Right, bend over. Get back here, you bloody wimps.